Hey ladies, Muriel here with a card share. So I am finished Valentine's things, cards, projects, which I'm so glad. I thought I had a successful Valentine's couple of weeks of creating, and everything has been mailed. I mailed 10 packages, 5 left Thursday, and yesterday the 5 were going to leave, but we had gotten slammed with snow here in the Pacific Northwest. And when I mean slammed, I mean slammed. So the packages didn't make it out yesterday, but they will go out on Monday, and those are to the other 5's pen pals. So I'm so glad that they're done, and I'm so excited when you guys get them. And then the other ones I'm taking to work on Monday and go ahead and just give them so they can enjoy Valentine's a couple of days before and a couple of days after. So I've gotten everything cleared from Valentine's out of the room, and I started working on my list of things that I need to get done. One of which is a baby card for a ex-boss's daughter. He's having a baby in April, and him and his wife are visiting them next month. So I thought, let me go ahead and get that done. And then while I'm at it, I'll just make 2 cards just in case some other person has a shower or that I want to give a gift to. So I pulled out the all-time favorite, which I have, G45 Mother Goose. And I picked this up at Tuesday morning, so I have 2. One I've used, it's almost gone, but then I have this other full one. And I've also collected over a period of time some of the embellishments. I have the tags and pockets, chipboards 1 and 2, and the banners. So when you have all these other elements to go with a collection, it makes it easy to create, and these cards were easy to create. Now I did go on Snapguide, which is a wonderful outlet for that many crafters have gone on to show the tutorials of how they make the projects, and I found 2. One is by Gloria Stengel, and the other one I believe is by Annette Green, but don't quote me. So the first one I did is the one that I'm going to give to my boss's daughter, and they're standard A2 size cards, but it looks like this. It's really simple. It just has the cut apart on top of the layering. I took a Martha Stewart punch and cut out a strip of this really pretty, what's that called? Oh my gosh. That pattern, oh my God, it's on the tip of my tongue. Anyway, I used craft paper to cut that out, and that goes across to hide where the 2 papers meet. And this is really cute. It says bedtime story. Then I used a stamp here. It says for baby. And that is a stamp by Stampin' Up. And I have to show it to you because it's a really nice stamp set. And I don't typically use a lot of my stamps, but I'm hoping that this year I do. But it's the BYOB. And you can use this, and I have used this for birthday, graduation. Now I'm using it for the baby. It has some cute sentiments down here. Congratulations, thank you. It's just a real nice set. So I stamped it here for baby. I'm using a yellow enamel dot, and then this is just a cut apart from the not chipboards, but the banners, I believe. Okay, so the front looks like that, and then the inside, if I'm going to give a gift card, I'm not decided yet, but I used one of the pockets and tags and created this pocket here and just mounted a little stamp on dimensional stickers. And then there is that quote, booties, bibs, and blankets. It's just so hard to choose, but thought this was a sure thing that your little one could use. So I have this in here because I know it'll fit a gift card if I decide to do that. Otherwise the cash will go here. So really simple. And then on the back, I thought, because it was black card and typically, you know, for baby, whatever, but I thought I would put one of the cut aparts on the back, and it's the Mary Had a Little Lamb. verse. So really simple, but I like it. So that was my first one. And then I went ahead, like I said, while the collection was on my desk and all open, and made this one here. And this is the one that I pulled off of Snap Guide and had a really easy tutorial. So I used some black and white gingham ribbon, some flowers here from Michaels, Recollections flowers, some Maya Road leaves. And then here are 3 of the chipboard pieces from the chipboard 2. I fussy cut the little boy and the moon, and then this little twinkle twinkle little star image here. This is a border strip, and then I have some of the ribbon underneath the cut apart, and then this light blue doily. So on the inside, oh, and then I use this Tim Holtz paper clip. I'm so glad I found these because I know I had them, but I couldn't find the pack. But they're adorable. They're half the size of paper clips that you normally have in your stash. So that's just holding that cute little twinkle twinkle little star label there. Then on the inside looks like that, so I could write my message right here. I just took 3 stamps, layered them, and raised them up on some dimensional stickers. And I was inspired by Arlene. She does that a lot, and it just is a really nice look to the inside of your card. And then on the back, the same thing, another cut apart. Here's Humpty Dumpty. So fun to make, quick to make, especially using the Snap Guide tutorial. Makes it really, really easy. So I got 2 things off the list for a baby shower card, and if something else pops up where someone is having a baby, I will be ready. So again, we were slammed with snow. We're expected to get more snow all this week. I'm hoping not, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think it's going to come and it's going to hit us, and when it does, it just kind of I mean, I can't do anything. I can't leave the parking garage. It's just that bad. So it makes good weather for crafting, and that is what I'm doing. So I hope you guys come back and visit if I am here next week, because I will be in the craft room just creating. I thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. If you're interested in subscribing, do so. And until my next video, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye now.